how to connect Shopify store to Facebook and Instagram shop. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have another tutorial video. Let's get into it. So first thing first, you need to create your account. So just visit shopify.com and don't forget that they have a 14 days free trial. So just go ahead and take advantage of that free account and start earning money online. So to get started, once you log into your account and created your online store, this is the main homepage over here. And of course, you also need to follow this setup guide here for you to set up your online store. But for now, we will be skipping that part of setting up our online store. We will be focusing on how we're able to connect our Shopify store to our Facebook account or our Instagram shop. So to get started, make sure that you will visit the business Facebook. So just go ahead and search for business.facebook.com and you will be redirected to this page over here. So what you can do over here is that you can go ahead and start logging in your Facebook account. So let's go ahead and click start now. All right, and over here, we just need to connect our Facebook account. So just log in your Facebook username and, of course, your password and click log in. So let me go ahead and log into my account and I will be back. All right, so we successfully log in to our Meta Business Suite account for Facebook. And also, as you can see, Facebook and Instagram are also connected over here. So what we can do next is we go back to our Shopify store. And over here, we just need to go to the add apps. So over here, you will see all the other app that you can integrate inside your Shopify store. So just scroll down and go to Shopify App Store down here. Or you can also visit directly the website, which is the apps.shopify.com if you like to. And what we can do here is that we can go ahead and look for the app that we can use for us to connect our Shopify store to Facebook and Instagram shop. So let's go ahead and search here Meta, since Facebook is under Meta. Same with the Instagram. So let's just wait for the result over here. So we have a result and we have here this one. So as you can see here that there is a 4,000 plus user for this app over here. So this is the right one. So I will just go ahead and select this one, Facebook and Instagram. And you will also see over here that their developer is Meta. So it means that this is the real one. Because other app, they will just imitate the name, but the developer is not really the Meta, but it was someone else. So let's just go ahead and click install. So over here, you can sell on Facebook and Instagram with your Shopify store. So now we go ahead and select our account. All right, and let's just wait for the load here to finish. So right now, for us to connect our Shopify store to our Facebook and Instagram shop, we just need to add this one to our sales channel and just wait for it to finish. All right, so we have now our Facebook and Instagram here. So we can now start selling on Facebook and Instagram once we are done. So over here, we just need to set up. So from this app, we can have a one shop, more ways to get discovered, and we can offer a seamless checkout experience. And also we can join a vibrant community of merchant and creators. So just click start up. All right, so we just need to set up our shop. So we have our guide over here. So we just need to follow this recommendation for us to set up our account successfully. So our shop will be created with the ability to check out directly on Facebook and Instagram. So this will make it easier for people like you to buy and simplify your shop setup. So the first one is to use an established Facebook rather than a brand new account. So an account with the activity history is recommended so that the Meta doesn't flag your account as fraudulent. So we recommend using your personal Facebook account rather than creating a new one for your business. So for you to connect your Shopify store to your social media account, make sure that your social media account or the new page that you will be connecting here inside your Shopify, there's should be a history already and it's not a new account. So over here, the next one, the second step is to make sure you have owner or admin permission. So to check that, you just need to click this link over here. That's why the first thing that we did is to log into our Meta Business Suite, because that makes this next step more easier. So you just need to click on this and it will redirect you to the Meta account. And as you can see that we already logged in. So over here about your business account, you just need to check here your access. So since we are the owner of this account, so we don't have any issue about that. But of course, if you're not the owner, you just need to first ask the admin to give you permission to access the account. So here in Meta Business Manager and Meta Business Suite, you can give people access to your business account and any business assets such as Facebook page, Instagram account, ad account, app, and Meta Pixel. So you can go ahead and ask your client or the owner of the account to give you access to if you're not the owner. So the next one is to make sure that you have an Instagram professional account. So if you notice when you create a Instagram account, you have two options to create personal account or professional account. So if you have your Instagram account as a personal account, then you can easily change that one to professional account and you can just go to settings and manage your account and change it to professional account. It's very easy. And after that, so we also have the step here. If you don't know how to do it, then just click the link, which is the learn how to switch your Instagram account. And there is a step here to follow as well. And after that, once you done these three steps, then the next thing that you need to do is to create your or set up your payment settings inside your Shopify store. So here, in order to create your Shopify with checkout on Facebook and Instagram, you need to activate your Shopify payment in payment settings. So you just need to complete this one for you to proceed checking your Facebook account and connecting your Facebook and Instagram account inside your Shopify. So let's go ahead and click edit payment settings. For us to complete the payment settings, we need to provide a valid billing information and also a valid PayPal account if you want to select the PayPal account. So this one is I don't like to provide. They just provide you the easy step by step. So just follow this one. So I guess that's all for today's video. And thank you for watching.